In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to end a meeting for everyone in Microsoft Teams. If you're hosting a meeting or call in Microsoft Teams, there may be a time when you want to make sure the session fully ends for all participants, instead of simply leaving the meeting yourself. This is especially useful when you're wrapping up a presentation, finishing a team discussion, or preventing the meeting from continuing after you're done. The good news is that this is very quick to do once you know where to look. To begin, make sure you are currently inside the Microsoft Teams meeting or call that you want to end. You'll need to be actively in the session for this option to be available. As the organizer or host, you should see the standard meeting controls on your screen, usually along the top or bottom of the meeting window, depending on your layout and device. Once you're ready to close the meeting for everyone, go to the meeting controls and click on Leave. This is the option used when you want to exit the meeting. In Microsoft Teams, this button may also give you additional ending choices if you're the organizer, so it's the key place to finish the session properly. When using this option, take a quick moment before you click to make sure the meeting is actually ready to end. For example, confirm that no one is still presenting, that final questions have been answered, and that any important follow-up points have already been shared. This helps avoid ending the call too early and makes the close feel more organized and professional. Also, keep in mind that simply leaving a meeting is different from ending it for everyone. If you only leave, other participants may remain in the meeting and continue talking. So if your goal is to completely close the session, be sure you're using the leave control in the way that ends the meeting for all attendees. That's all it takes. While you're in the meeting, open the controls and click Leave to finish the session. It's a simple action, but it can make a big difference in keeping meetings clean, efficient, and under control. And that's how to end a meeting for everyone in Microsoft Teams.